In this video, I'm going to show you something about browser prefix. Okay, now I am in make.powerpages.microsoft.com and I've opened a Power Pages site with a customer service portal as a template. Okay, now this is one page, a knowledge base home, and now if I preview this page, if you see the slug as knowledge base, and if you see the title of this page as knowledge base home, okay. However, if you clearly see, it says knowledge base hyphen home dot customer self service. Okay, so that means the title of the page is knowledge base home dot customer self service. Okay, now in my previous video I've shown you how to change the title of a web page. Okay, now usually what people do is like they go over here and then they click on page setting and then try to extract this name, so knowledge base dash home. Now this title will take into effect if the title is not set for that page. Okay, now in this page the name of the page is knowledge base dash home, and that's why it is picking from there. However, if we go into the backend, now if I go into the backend for Power Pages management, now here if I go into web pages, okay, um, let me go and then find knowledge base. Say knowledge base for my site. Now my site is Kitty Customer Self Service, and this is the knowledge base home page. Okay, so if I go into this knowledge base home page, okay, then if I see the title over here, there is nothing. If there is nothing, then it will pick from here. Okay, it will pick from uh, the page name. Okay, knowledge base home. But even though the page name is knowledge base dash home, it is still showing me knowledge base dash home dot customer self service. So what is that? Now what it is doing, it is picking up the title and at the same time appending something called as a suffix. Okay, now if you see here, and the suffix is dot customer self service. Now from where the suffix is coming? Okay, so let me go into the backend and try to find that out. So let me see in content snippets, okay, if there is any suffix. Okay, let me find something called as a browser. Okay, if I start typing browser, I will see that for my site there is a browser title suffix content snippet, and it says ampersand nbsp semicolon means space dot customer self service. Now if I maybe say maybe remove this completely and I say maybe I'll put some emoji characters. Okay, I'll say Girish. Okay, if this is my suffix, okay, and then I put ampersand nbsp semicolon, okay, just space, okay, and I save this. Let's see what happens now. So I need to sync this. I'll sync this. And once it is synced, I'll just refresh this page. Now once the page is refreshed, if I hover my mouse, it shows me the title, which is technically coming from the page name because title is missing in the backend, and it is also appending this prefix. Okay, so it will append the prefix for all the pages because this is like a site level setting. Okay, so I have added in content snippet this text. So that means technically what we have come to the conclusion that if we want to change the title of the page, there are multiple places where we may need to look into. Okay, one is, let me duplicate this tab. First is you need to check whether the browser title suffix is put or not. Okay, so this also controls the title of your page. Then if you go into the web pages, okay, and then under your web pages, so maybe I type knowledge base, say knowledge base home for Giri customer self service. Okay, so this one. So against and every page there is a title defined. So if that title is not filled in, then it takes the effect from the page name. Okay, so in this example which I'm showing you, knowledge base home, if I navigate over here, refresh this page, it's taking a while to load. Yep. So if you see this page over here, knowledge base home, it has no title, and that's why the title is being taken from the page. Now, what if I put something over here? Okay, what if I put the title over here as a KB? Okay, so let this page load. So let me put this as KB. Okay, I'll just say save and I'll sync it. And now if you see here, the title is changed to KB and then the suffixes, which is like emoji character and the text Girish. So that means effectively, if you want to change the title of a web page, then what you need to do is you need to look into multiple places. One is you need to go into and check the page settings, what is the name of that, and then you may need to go into the content snippet and check the browser title suffix and also look into the title of that corresponding page. So these are the three different areas which you need to navigate and see how the title is getting rendered for your particular web page. Thanks for watching.